Reform UK leader hits out at Prime Minister over Brexit reset. In Daily Express interview, Nigel Farage has warned that Sir Keir Starmer is rapidly betraying Brexit. The Reform UK leader said it would be awful if the Prime Minister caves into the European Union over fishing rights in order to strike a defence deal. The arch-Brexiteer added that he believes a security agreement with Brussels could threaten the NATO military alliance. Asked if Sir Keir is betraying Brexit, Mr. Farage said, "It feels like it's happening quite rapidly. The fishing thing is a disaster. We've never got what we really voted for in any way at all from fishing. To give up more would be awful. There's now talk of a defence pact which would even include intelligence sharing at a very high level, and that in my view would threaten NATO and where we're going. So it's almost as if the government is trying to do two things at the same time. Number 1, be big on the world stage, get on well with President Trump, but on the other reset with Brussels. And at some point, those two policies come into collision. It comes as the PM is seeking a Brexit reset with the bloc and is due to host a UK-EU summit on May 19. There have been reports that he has made concessions on fishing quotas to allow British firms to be able to bid for the new €150 billion EU defence fund as part of his push for closer ties. Meanwhile, he is scrambling to strike a trade deal with the US to lessen the impact of Donald Trump's tariffs. Mr. Farage was speaking to the Daily Express in Dover, Kent, today as he campaigned ahead of next Thursday's local elections. The Clacton MP rejected talk of a pact between his insurgent party and the Tories. Shadow Justice Secretary Robert Jenrick vowed in a leaked recording to bring together a coalition of Reform and Conservative voters to take on Labour. Reform has consistently been outperforming Kemi Badenoch's party in polling in recent months. But Mr. Farage insisted he was not worried about Sir Keir going through the middle because the right-wing vote is split between the two.
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.